Here we go. Hands up in the air. Bend your knees. All right. Don't get burned over there. Here we go. Berry right. Cherry left. Berry right. Berry left. Strawberry. Strawberry to the rear. We're going to do 5 strawberries. Here we go. Ready to count? 5 strawberries. Here we go. Strawberry, 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 strawberry. Let's do it one more time. That was almost a whole basket. Here we go with the strawberries again. Here we go. Bend your knees. Now, the more you bend your knees, the more strawberries you can get. Here we go. Strawberry, 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 strawberry. All right. Now turn around and face the front again. We just want to see how your better half does. All right. Now the front, guava, 5 times. All right. Here we go. Guava. Ready? Bend your knees. Ready? Here we go. Guava, 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 guava. Good job, guys. Now, we're going to mix up all these fruits, make a Mai Tai. Here we go. If we can have the dancers in front now. If you get confused, follow the dancer.
Okay, I like the strawberries.
You like the strawberries the best, huh? What happens in Carson stays in Carson. Here we go. Ready? Hands up. Bend your knees. Here we go. Berry. Cherry. Guava. Guava's to the front, bro. Strawberry to the rear. Guava front. Berry. Cherry. Let's pick up that watermelon off the floor. Come back up. All right, good job. Now, we're going to take it from 5 to 95 miles an hour. Once you hear the drums go Mufasa, you guys have to freestyle, okay? Cabbage Patch, Running Man, whatever your forte is. Whatever you like to do, okay? No lambada dancing, okay? Here we go. We'll start you off again. Here we go. Give you some room. Here we go. Acai berry to the right. Cherry to the left. Strawberry to the rear. Guava to the front. Watermelon to the ground. Nice and slow.